This is the City by Liverpool Bramble service. Next stop is Glenfield. Please change at Glenfield for Eastfields and the Airport Line services.
Yeah, well, I was thinking, so what was you going to cook? I was just thinking because, man, I don't want to get off and have to go get something and then get back on the train. Because I'm like already nearly. Yeah, just Devon and all. I mean, man, you gotta explain to this guy that I'm a fussy reader. No, no. Is he a good one?
This train will stop at
just Devon sandwiches with tomato sauce, baby. I'm happy with that, man. Because I'm like here. Yeah. Yeah, Devon tomatoes. Make sure the Devon is the Devon fresh. Yeah, just Devon.